Hi guys, Niaje. Now I make custom rugs. On today's episode, you guys, we are making a custom body Hello Kitty rug. But guys, before we got there, I want you to know this is where we started. Now guys, this is not your average Hello Kitty. This is Madame Empress, La Queen, La Empress body Hello Kitty rug that I made using the help of a tufting gun. Okay, now guys, this rug took me literally 3 days to make. This is considering having everything at hand: the design, the drawing, power, yarn, materials, yada yada yada. And if you're interested in wanting to customize your own rug or carpet and transform your house from a flashback to flash fabulous, honey, I got you covered, because I can customize a rug for you as long as you have a design in mind of what you'd like, the size ratios and all that then I can do it for you. And also guys, not just limited to designs, also logos can work, okay, and more and more and more. If you've reached until this part of the video, thank you so much for surviving me this long. So please kindly give this video a thumbs up, like it, share it, tell a friend, and also you can comment down below that Hello Kitty is a body, for me to know that you reached this part of the video. And also, if you're interested in wanting to learn and become a professional at rug making, carpet making like moi, then I got you covered, because I have tufting classes for anyone interested in wanting to learn how to make such wonderful, if not amazing rugs for themselves as a business, side hustle, hobby, whatever, just as long as you want to do it this beautifully, then come to me. And also guys, other than this, I think I've been preaching for the last 3 months that I have a YouTube channel. Please head there and support me, where if you're interested in wanting to see how this rug was done from scratch, that's where I post. And my YouTube channel is basically curated for that beginner artist who's interested in learning tips and tricks and how-tos, or the in-depth processes of tufting that are usually not shared commonly. So that's why I keep urging y'all to keep going to my YouTube channel, because I keep seeing most of the questions you ask me on my inbox, in my DMs, and also in my chats. And there are questions that I have responded to in videos, and I feel if you head to YouTube, you'll find so much resource and value in my channel. And also for the close members, the people who are also creators in this platforms, but you're far away from me, but you still want to learn from me, that's why we have a membership channel. Okay, my YouTube membership for just $1 a month. That can't make anyone go broke. Okay, it will help me a lot though. Anyway guys, thank you so much for reaching until this part of the video. Enjoy.